Hey fam, did you eat yet? Welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa. I started this channel because of my great passion for nutritious food and making sure others are fed well. My cousin and I, we joke about how our Filipino family's love language can be summed up in the question, did you eat yet? I worked in the hotel business for 7 years, and my main goal then was to make sure that my guests were fat and happy. I loved my job because I got to eat all types of food. Rule of thumb is to taste test the food before serving it to your guests, right? But my world got flipped upside down in 2017. I was diagnosed with lupus, a chronic autoimmune disease that causes inflammation and pain throughout my entire body. That's when I realized that the food I grew up eating was contributing to my autoimmune systems and I needed to change my diet. I also started to notice that my family was suffering from other chronic diseases as well, like diabetes, or like how Filipinos like to say it, diabetes. Hypertension or high blood pressure and high cholesterol are other diseases, but all of them were linked to the foods we ate. Here on my channel, I'll be flipping those traditional, not so healthy recipes into clean, more nutritious meals bursting with flavor while still remaining authentic and delicious. And I'm going to start with the Filipino meals I grew up with. What better month to kick this off than in May? It's Asian-American Pacific Islander Month, Lupus Awareness Month, and my birthday month. Yes, that's right, I'm going to bring awareness to all 3 categories. Okay, maybe just the first 2. But I mean, you can send me a birthday gift too. I don't want to make you fat and happy, so instead, we're going to make everything flippin' happy. Look out for my content and follow me on social media at flippin' happy to learn what dish I'll be flipping next.